Hi everyone, my name is Eugene and I'm one of the co-founders of StaffAny. Today I'm extremely excited to share with you on how we can help you reduce labor costs and improve productivity through three key main components, which is the smarter schedule, more accurate time attendance, and a more automated timesheet consolidation tool. With this, first up, we have scheduling. Let's go!
There are two ways to assign a shift. First is by keying the timing for your staff, and this is very similar to Excel. Give a certain color and you have just created your shift for your staff. Next, if you operate on a more structured shift basis, you actually create a shift template. What you need to do is to key in the timing, choose how many staff you actually need, and select a color. And lastly, to select the days in which this shift appear, you just need to press create. And you just created the shift for the entire week. Next, to assign your guys, you just need to click onto that cell and we will provide you with the relevant shift that you can assign them for. And now your shift is done. So once you are done assigning all the shifts for the week, we can help you check that you are within your hours budget. Here, you can get an estimated cost in terms of the spend you will have based on the schedule you have created. Before publishing, also tell you if anyone is working overtime based on your schedule, so you can rearrange them to be better within your budget limit. So once that's done, you can publish your schedule, and for all your staff who are scheduled, they'll get a ping on their phone to notify them that they've been scheduled. So this is for easy dissemination of the schedule. You can also export it out and send it to them. Yep, it's really that easy.
Basics aside, let me introduce to you our more powerful enhancement so we can help you schedule faster, more easily, and within your labor budget.
Under the day view, you can also check the hourly coverage of your staff to ensure that you are never understaffed at those critical periods.
Now, moving on to getting staff availabilities. Don't worry, you don't have to do it manually anymore. Let's check it out.
Managers simply have to request the availability, and this will be sent out to the relevant staff.
With this, they can let you know what is the timing that they are able to work at.
And you can see it instantly on your schedule.
On our end, you are also able to automate the scheduling of your staff through a first-come, first-served basis. What your staff needs to do is that they need to select the relevant shift and press grab, and what will happen is once they have grabbed it, they'll be slotted into the shift. Your staff are also able to apply their leave through the StaffAny mobile app. What you need to do is to click on My Leaves, add the leaves, choose a certain date for the leave. Let's say for this example, I'll choose the 13th. Choose the type of leave. You can also attach an image if they need, and just press submit.
Managers will be able to see the leave application on the schedule, and they will also be able to approve it, and this will ensure that they do not schedule staff while on leave.